Have you ever seen price smash through a key level, only to rip straight back and leave you on the sidelines? In Forex, those breakouts can feel like traps if you do not know what you are looking for. We are the next gen traders group, and we have been there, stuck watching false breakouts eat our stops. Knowing exactly when to jump back in can make all the difference between a winning trade and a loss after loss. During this video, I'll show you examples of break and retest on all the major timeframes. I'll keep it simple, from lightning fast 1 minute charts to daily chart swing examples. Why it works? Every break tells you where big players are buying or selling. The retest confirms the conviction, giving you a low risk entry with your stop snug on the other side of the level. You'll get real-time examples found in the chart within seconds. 1 minute, scalp the quick snapbacks. 5 minute, catch the minor swings. 15 and 30 minute, ride the intraday trend. 1 and 4 hour, spot the institutional moves. 1 day, trade the major directional shifts. Ready to stop guessing and start trading with confidence? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's kick off with our first 1 minute break and retest example starting now. So we are looking at the 1 minute chart now, and it's as simple as it gets, really. So I'm not gonna try to use some technical terms and whatnot. This is as simple as it gets. You know, you can call it a break and retest, or you can call it a lightning bolt. It doesn't really matter, you know. It is what it is. It actually looks more like a lightning bolt than a break and retest. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart. Of course, this would be a quite quick trade. It can take anything from 10 minutes to 40, 50 minutes, as you can see. This is the 5 minute chart. As you can see, the break and retest is very obvious. This trade will take a bit longer, and this is where I've put the trade where I would set. So you would aim for the previous low, because most of the time it hits, and as you can see, it would have gone lower. So you can open 2 trades once you start having decent confidence in your skills. These are short positions at the time. As you can see, there's the break, there's the retest, and then the impulsive move. But the impulsive move came a bit later. This is the 15 minute chart. It's also a break and retest to the downside. In a minute, I'll show you some long examples. As simple as you can see, the previous bottom gets touched 2 times. That's it. You don't need to overdo it. You just need to know where to put your stop loss and just follow the same strategy that you follow. You know, best traders normally follow one strategy. There's no need to learn 10 different strategies, because it will just confuse you. End of the day, it's not to catch every single trade possible. It's to be consistent with what you know. This trade will take a bit longer than the previous trades, but it's still pretty impulsive. Once the retest happen, as you can see, it's about 3-4 candlesticks at 15 minutes. So it's still a quick trade. Now the 30 minute time frame, the trades get a bit longer from here. Then again, this is a different kind of break and retest. So you can, a support and a resistance can be in many shapes or forms. It doesn't have to be a straight line. It can be, end of the day, a trend line. It's another support. A channel is a support and a resistance. You know, so this is a break through a ascending kind of support, and as you can see, it retests it and it provides for quite a big trade. And the 1 hour time frame, the trade can take considerably longer. I'm looking for a long position for a previous high. I'll find the previous high. You know, when you are trading Nasdaq, which this is US Tech, Nasdaq 100, when it's in a bullish trend, if it's going up, you know, it's most likely will go up quite a bit. Now, it is rarely in a downtrend. So with shorts, always look for a previous low to target. The price seems to want to return to a previous low quite often. This is another example of a break of a trend line or a trend support, whichever way you want to look at it. And as you can see, it retested the breakout point. The breakout point, the order block, whichever way you want to call it, it doesn't matter. Now this trade would have taken considerably longer. As you can see, there's quite a few 1 hour candles. You adjust the stop loss according to how you trade and what risk reward you use, how much you risk. The 4 hour trades are the much longer ones, and daily ones are pretty much swing trades. 4 hour and daily break and retest trades are swing trades. They can take from anything from a day to a week or 2 weeks. Anything longer really is a position trade. So position trades can take months, weeks, months. As you can see, this trade would have not worked out, even though it did look like it rejected, but it carried on going. If it would have broken that trend line that I've showed you, it might have been a good trade. But as you can see, it broke it way higher up and it turned into a beautiful trade. This is a very simple 4-hour trade. Very simple. Just with these kind of trades, you need to be patient. You need to have discipline. You need practice. Now, if you think you'll watch a few YouTube videos and you'll be successful within 2 weeks, think again. Sometimes having a few wins when you start, at the start, it seems like it's a good thing because you're making money, but it's better to have a few losses first. That forces you to learn. Having wins, you can build fake confidence. Example, you can enter 2 trades on this. As you can see, there's 2 tops to reach, and they both are hit. But this is a swing trade. This would have taken a good week for both to be hit. As you can see, it's a very big trade. This was a little while back after COVID, I believe. You can see the entry is 11,860. The first take profit is 13,691. The second take profit is 15,153. These trades are absolutely humongous. But as the bull market was really strong then, due to all the stimulus packages, this was a weekly occurrence. Now the daily time frame, the daddy. This is where you get real big trades, long trades, swing trades. As you can see, it doesn't get as simple as this. This is just as simple as it gets. Now, don't forget, what you see in books and in generated images and so on, it's never as clean as that. As you can see, it's not exactly a proper retest of the broken channel, but it did retest the previous, the lower high. So this would have been a beautiful trade, which would have taken about 2 weeks. Simple as. Break and retest comes in many forms. Our book, Trading Simplified, will be released on Sunday the 27th. It is the first of 5 books. They will cover everything you need to know, from basics to strategy, psychology, and everything in between. We have just started this and it is picking up steam, as one would put it. We will do our best to improve the quality of the videos and make the information as simple and digestible as possible. Always remember to use a stop loss and follow a strict money management plan. Thank you for watching and please support our project. Subscribe, follow, like, comment and share.